Hi, my name is Yaa Osei. I'm studying nursing here at UEL.
My commute to UEL is short and easy. One bus ride from home and I'm dropped off right at the entrance of our Stratford Health campus. Here, you will find me applying the theory I've learned in the skills room, studying in the library, or relaxing on the green. I really enjoyed the range of teaching my lecturers bring to the classroom. Thanks to them, I've had the opportunity to learn firsthand from experienced NHS professionals. I've been able to develop my knowledge and skills with the latest technologies, which were not available at other London universities when I was choosing where to study. I'm consistently being pushed to strive towards perfection when practicing in the ward. This has helped me greatly with my placement at Whitcross University Hospital, which is also the hospital I was born in. Despite this being my second bachelor's degree, I've never felt so reassured during my studies. I feel confident in navigating my dyslexia thanks to UEL's student services and staff support. In the future, I'm excited to get involved in sickle cell research and hopefully secure a full-time role at Whitcross Hospital, as I love the idea of working within my community. One day, I would like to run nursing workshops in Ghana to pass on my knowledge and skills across the world. I hope to look back on my time at UEL and be proud of how far I've come.